because I am quite well travelled. Clearly today is a day where I just don't want to do anything. Oh my god, this is way harder than I thought it would be already. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to be doing a really fun pack with me. Now I've never done anything like this before, nor have I really seen many of these floating around YouTube, but I'm actually heading off to Budapest on Sunday. Today's Friday and I just thought I would get started on some packing. My suitcase here, let me just show it. Here it is. I'm going for 4 days. 4 days. It's probably too big of a suitcase, but the other one will be too small. So I've had this one for years and it's just cute and it's pink. So I have made a packing list because I'm that bitch. All of my friends were taking the piss out of me for making a packing list, but I'm just the most organised bitch ever, so what would you expect? Here it is. Split it into 3 categories, and then I've got some notes at the bottom and I'll just chat you through how I organise packing, because I am quite well travelled. I feel like I've kind of got this packing thing down, so you'd think I wouldn't need a list, but I'm just really forgetful, so I don't want to forget anything. Firstly, I have it in 3 categories. So I have toiletries, clothes and other. I do already have a packing list that I take everywhere, but it is a bit more of like a long haul / summer holiday packing list, whereas this is obviously just a city break with my best friend. So I need a different sort of packing list, so I just decided to whip one up quickly on Google Sheets. I've got toiletries, clothes and other. So I'm going to try and get as much of it done as possible today. I still need to work out what bags I'm going to take with me, because I've got some bits that I want to carry on the plane with me. Oh my god, this is way harder than I thought it would be already. Let's start with the easy things. So shout out to Lottie, my nail tech. Look how gorgeous these nails are for Budapest, look. It's like, I don't know if you can even see that. It's like purple shimmer on this nail, and the shade is called You're Such a Budapest by OPI, which just makes it that much perfect. Start off with bras, pads, pyjamas, that kind of shit, because it's just easy. I've been really into thongs at the moment, so I've got every colour of the rainbow of Primark. These are my favourite ones. If this is weird show underwear on YouTube, is it? I don't really know. I want to give my gals advice. Yeah, they just look like this. They're so lacy, they're so light, and they make you look really fit, just saying. I'm going to do one nude, one black at the moment. So I have these bras that I've bought recently. Yes, I know I have big boobs, okay, before we just get that out of the way. And they're really cute from Debenhams. And they've got like lace, and they're just, yeah, so I've got one nude and one black. Ooh, that lighting, ooh. I'm back. Clearly today is a day where I just don't want to do anything. But I need to think of some outfits, please. Try to ignore the lighting, it's really stressing me out as well. But the sun will be behind that house shortly, and it'll be better. So I was going to take some skirts with me, which I'll show you the skirts that I have, but it's just going to be too cold. So I have this gorgeous one, which I believe is Misguided. Yes, I have this one from Misguided, and it's so cute for a night out. I also have this one, which is from Nasty Gal, which again, super cute. And I wore this one on Christmas Day, but I was going to take that one as well for a night out, but it's freezing, so we're not wearing skirts. I really like this top from Zara. It's like this nude cord shirt, and I've got it oversized, so it looks really cute tucked into black jeans. I think I might have to take that, but look at that, how cute. Going out tops wise, I have this really cute this is not nude, blue satin shirt, which could be really cute for going out. I also have this shirt, which again, super cute. Don't know if this one's from Primark, that one's from Pretty Little Thing. I really want to take this top with me. This is from Nasty Gal, and I just think it'd be really cute on a night out. Cozy jumper wise, I'm definitely taking this one with me. This is from Nasty Gal. I'm realising all of my clothes are Nasty Gal now. This is the coziest jumper ever. Rust colour. What have I done to it? I feel like I've ruined it. There's like a pull somewhere over there. Probably with a ring. But this is just the coziest jumper ever, and my best friend that I'm going with loves it as well. So you want to take like a big cozy white jumper. So I think I'm going to take this one, which is from Primark. One of my all-time favourite jumpers. I wore it in my last video. It might be my last video, I don't know which video it is. The outfits of the week. It's just really cozy. Once I pick out the things that I really want, I start to get out the things that I am considering. So obviously I've got these 2 going out tops that I've put on a pile, and I've got 3 like daytimey tops. And then I just need to sit and work out what other bits that I might want to take with me. I really love these trousers, which are from Quiz, and they're just like black with this yellow pattern on. I also have this jumper, which is really soft and really cozy. Maybe that could be a plain. This could be a plain outfit, you know? This big white roll neck. That could be a plain outfit. Like with some nice, that'd be cute with that even. Would that be cute? Would that be a cute outfit? Oh, that would actually. Pajama wise, I need to work that out. I think I'm gonna take this to wear as pajamas because me and Frey both went to see Khalid together. Why is this so creased? Alison clearly isn't doing the ironing, is she? Also been collecting a few things in this bag. I'm not taking this bag, it's way too summery. But I thought I'd just show you. So I've got this luggage clip thing that you put around your luggage so you know it's yours. Also went to the shop and bought myself some stuff. A new toothbrush because I use an electric one and I very rarely use my manual one, and my manual one's seen better days, so I just bought myself a new Colgate toothbrush. Myself a new deodorant because my one's running low and I don't like to go anywhere with running low deodorant. Got myself some ibuprofen because you never know, headaches, etc. Got my passport. This is what an English passport looks like if you don't know. It's got L in the corner because when me and my family go away, you can easily know whose passport is whose just by looking at it. And I bought some toiletries, which me and my friend are actually going to share because I'm a lazy bitch and I will only wash my hair once. These shampoos and conditioners, this is by OGX. It's my favourite hair care brand. So I have the coconut one and the argan oil one. I like to mix it up, but this is my favourite one. It's just coconut milk and it's like hydration. I also got a little body wash, which is just a mango one. Hair stuff, I'm obviously going to take some headbands. I love this one. And also I want to take this one as well, which is my jeweled one. This is from New Look, this one, and this one is from Primark. Primark do the best headbands. And now I need other toiletries. So these are the things that I've got. So I've got this for my hair, which is literally the only hair product I use. Got Pixie, I really like this, but I don't know if I need it. Femme Fresh spray and spot cream, hand sanitizer, and this, if you get anxious, this is really good. It's got quite a lot left in it. It's like a comfort drops thing. Speakers, I don't know which one I want to take with me because I have better sound quality but really fucking heavy, or light as a feather, not as good sound quality. Also going to take my Fitbit because I like to wear it when I'm like walking around a lot. I also got a book that I want to take with me. This one I'm reading, Not So Perfect Life by Sophie Kinsella. So I have my curlers, which I'm 100% taking because curlers. Charger for my Beats pill, which I need to actually charge up my Beats pill. A charger for my phone because I like to carry this in my hand luggage. This is the one I take away with me. It's one of the new ones that like flattens completely. My camera battery charging situation because your girl needs to charge her camera batteries. You guys, this is promising. This feels heavy. This is my wash bag that I normally take on holiday with me. I was trying to work out where all of my like wash bag shit was, but I think it's all in here. I have some micellar water, I just need to fill it up. This mirror, which is just, it's a magician, this mirror. Yeah, it lights up, I know. This little zipper here, I have scissors, earbuds, little hair ties, flosser, glasses, cleaner, like random shit. So in this bag, we're going to put everything that would go in the bathroom. So eye masks because I'm extra like that. Toothbrush. Now we're going to go over to my PR drawer, which sounds so disgusting, but I have a drawer of PR where I basically keep everything Dermalogica sends me, which is a lot. So I'm going to take these two with me. Special cleansing gel. And also a little mini moisturiser. Look at this. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey of packing with me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and let me know in the comment section down below if you're excited for the Budapest content that is coming next week for you all. Have a really awesome day, everybody, and I'll catch you all next week for a brand new video. Bye.
My guy pretty like